everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Free Fire connection loss in 2026. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data and also toggle airplane mode on and off on your device. The other thing that you can do is simply head over to your app drawer, force close the Free Fire app and then restart it on your device. If that too does not work, it may be due to corrupt cache. For that, head over to settings on your device and then tap on apps. Once you're here, simply tap on Free Fire and then tap on storage and cache and clear the cache of Free Fire. And sometimes due to an outdated app, the problem may be getting caused. For that, head over to Play Store on your device, head over to search and then search for Free Fire in the search bar. Once you're here, tap on update and then try to reopen the game. Also make sure to turn off any proxies or VPNs that you may be having on your device that may be interfering with your connection. If all else fails, simply head over to your app drawer, search for Free Fire in the search bar, long press on it, uninstall it and reinstall it on your device. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.